If you've ever filmed something on your phone and thought to yourself, why does this look shaky, amateur, or just off? This video is for you. Here's the truth. Your cell phone camera is already insanely good. What's holding most creators back isn't the phone. It's stability, movement, and control. And that's exactly where a good gimbal changes everything. Today, I'm breaking down the best phone gimbals for 2026. From budget-friendly options to professional making tools. So you can stop guessing, stop wasting money, and start capturing smooth, cinematic footage with the phone you already own. If you want the safest recommendation, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P it is. This is the gimbal that works for beginners, daily creators, travelers, and professionals who want reliability. DJI didn't reinvent the wheel here, they perfected it. It has a rock-solid 3-axis stabilization. The 7P delivers smooth walking footage, clean pans, and controlled motion even with fast movements. Whether you're vlogging, filming B-roll, or shooting a talking head while moving, this gimbal just does its job. You don't fight it, you don't babysit it, you trust it. DJI subject tracking is still one of the very best in the industry. You can set the phone down, walk, talk, gesture, and move side to side, and the camera keeps you framed. Inside the DJI app, you get motion time-lapses, hyperlapse, dynamic zoom effects, and panorama modes. But here's the key, it doesn't feel overwhelming. Everything is clearly labeled, easy to access, and beginner-friendly. And the grip feels natural in the hand, even during long shoots. Your battery life easily lasts for a full day of filming, travel days, and multiple shoot sessions. This is the gimbal you grab when you don't want to think. You just want smooth footage. This is why it's the best overall pick. Now, what if you want even smarter tracking, more features, and a gimbal that feels like it's thinking for you? That's where Insta360 enters the chat. The Insta360 Flow 2 Pro is for creators who love smart features, automation, and flexibility. This gimbal feels modern, almost futuristic how it works. This is a massive deal. With Apple Dock Kit support, the Flow 2 Pro can track you across multiple apps, work with native camera apps, and track in FaceTime, Instagram, TikTok, Zoom, and more. For live streamers, educators, and short-form creators, this is huge. It has a built-in extension rod. This means no extra selfie stick, better framing for vlogs, and wider shots in tight spaces. This makes it perfect for travel vloggers, room tours, group shots, and overhead angles. It has up to 10 hours of battery life. This means multiple shoot days, long travel sessions, and zero battery anxiety. You can literally forget about charging during the day. The Flow 2 Pro folds down small enough to toss in a backpack, carry while traveling, or store between shoots. For creators on the move, this matters more than you think. It also has AI-driven shooting features, so you get smart subject tracking, auto framing, gesture control, and shot suggestions. Buy the Flow 2 Pro if you want the smartest tracking available. You shoot across multiple apps, you vlog, live stream, or teach, or you love automation and AI help. This is a feature monster in the best way. Now let's talk about something that most gimbals struggle with. Big phones, heavy phones, phones with cages. The Hohem iSteady M7 is what I call the heavyweight champion of phone gimbals. If your phone setup is bulky, this thing doesn't flinch. This gimbal can handle large iPhones, big Android phones, phones with lens attachments, and phones in cages. Where smaller gimbals start to struggle, the M7 stays stable. It has a removable touchscreen remote. This is one of its standout features. This remote lets you control framing, switch modes, adjust tracking, and monitor your shot without touching the gimbal itself. This is incredible for tripod setups, remote filming, and creative angles. Even with heavier phones, the stabilization stays smooth during walking, panning, tilting, and dynamic shots. This makes it great for creators who push their gear. The M7 feels solid and confidence-inspiring. It's not ultra compact, but that's the trade-off for power. If you want stability first, size second, this is the one. Now let's flip the script. What if you want manual control, filmmaking precision, and a gimbal that feels like pro equipment? The Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI is not for casual creators. This is for filmmakers who want control. This gimbal is built for precise motion, cinematic pans, controlled tilts, and heavy shooting sessions. It feels like a tool and not a toy. Unlike app-heavy gimbals, the Smooth 5S gives you real buttons, physical dials, and manual adjustments. This matters when you want repeatable movements, intentional shots, and fine-tuned control. The AI tracking works without entirely relying on apps, which gives you faster response response, more reliability, and better control in complex scenes. This gimbal also has built-in lighting support, which can help in low-light environments, indoor shoots, and night filming. This is subtle but incredibly useful. Buy the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI if you want filmmaking level control. You care about movement precision, you shoot cinematic content, and you don't mind a learning curve. This is the gimbal for creators who treat phone video like cinema. Finally, let's talk about value, because not everyone needs the latest or most advanced gimbal. The DJI Osmo Mobile 6 proves you don't need to spend big to get the results. This is still one of the best value gimbals on the market. You still get smooth footage, solid tracking, and easy operation. It's not flashy, but it does work. It has a fast setup and good portability. Quick mounting magnets means faster shooting, less setup stress, and more spontaneous filming. This is perfect for beginners, if you're new to gimbals, filming casually, or creating social content. This gimbal gives you confidence without complexity. Buy the Osmo Mobile 6 if you want DJI quality on a budget, you're just getting started, or you want simple, effective stabilization. And there you have it. The best overall goes to the DJI Osmo 7P. Best tracking and features goes to the Insta360 Flow 2. Our best for heavy phones goes to the Hohem iSteady M7. Best professional control goes to the Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI. And our best budget value goes to the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. But at the end of the day, the best gimbal is the one that actually fits how you create. If you're interested in checking out any of these gimbals, we've included links to all the products in the description below. If you decide to use those links, we do earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. It just helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content like this. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another one of these videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.